Home HVAC Services provides expert commercial HVAC solutions in Westchester, PA, ensuring efficient heating, cooling, and ventilation systems for businesses of all sizes. Our team delivers reliable installation, maintenance, and repair services designed to maximize comfort, performance, and energy efficiency year-round. If you have any questions, contact our commercial HVAC team. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What types of commercial HVAC systems do you service? Home HVAC Services works with a wide range of systems, including rooftop units, split systems, boilers, chillers, and ventilation systems for various commercial properties. Can you help improve energy efficiency for my commercial building? Absolutely. Our team can assess your current system and recommend upgrades or maintenance strategies to reduce energy consumption and lower operating costs. What is your service area for the Westchester, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC have served Westchester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your Westchester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 Westchester Pike, Westchester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.